Okay, 7. Point to the shapes and tell me what they are.
It's a hexagon.
That's right. What's the orange one?
Circle. And this is a hexagon. And that's a heart. And that's a star. And that's a square. And that's a triangle. And that's a rectangle. And that's a circle.
Good job. Can you tell me all the colors?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's not colors, Billy. That's numbers. What color is the circle?
I know orange.
What color is the hexagon?
I know blue.
Good job. What color is the heart?
Pink.
Good job.